Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So guys, this is basically the start of my vlog. This is my outfit of the day and I am in Toronto, Pearson. I'm going to Miami, Nike Air Force, wash, and then I have a simple jacket, jeans jacket, and you know, the wig, yeah. We're just waiting to board and Sunny's there. Miami, we're gonna go board to go to Aruba. So airport is ready. Gate 17. Are we going to right here? Is it counting down? Oh yes, it's counting. Come Sunny, please go.
Miami and Washington DC flight. It's been a pleasure having you on board. We hope you have a pleasant stay here or wherever your planned destination may be.
Alright guys, we're going off the plane now. We're going to connect to the next flight to Aruba. And I am in Miami, so yay. So this is the plane, it's getting empty. I was way at the back, guys. I'll see you later. Alright guys, so basically I am in Miami Airport, alright. And we're going to go on another flight, alright. So we're very tired. I was sleeping. Yes, well, like, whoa. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. The last one.
That's D45, right?
You're behind me? Don't get me. It's really crowded here, guys. This is America, Sunny, you know, over Miami. Some beach stuff. Alright guys, now we're taking the train. Oh god. And then I have to go to the second floor. You're scared? It's almost. Alright guys, I finally found my gate. Oh my god. 17. It's a long flight. Now we're on the next flight to Aruba. So I'll let you know how it goes. Alright guys, we're on the next flight to Aruba. This plane is hot, guys. Hot.
Yeah, you gotta make it last.
Alright guys, we made it. Welcome to Aruba. Okay. And guys, we don't have to wear any more masks. I am happy. Come on, Fanny. You can do it. One step and stay. Good job. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oops, I'm going to video this. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yeah. I really want to go. Somebody dropped their pillow. Beautiful artwork, isn't it? Let's use it. They said don't touch it, right? Don't touch it, there, sir. Visitors, this way. Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Step on, son. You come. You're on. And you see the passport in the small part of the bag, there, sir? Take them out. Take those out.
Is this surprise or what? You know this you know?
Hi, how are you? Auntie Danoy.
And then did they tell you I was coming?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
So me not take no hug?
No, because I didn't tell you, say me and come and me and watch you coming. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Auntie Danoy, where can be there?
They came out, they said I'm going to get them bags. I guess I'm going to forget you here, so.
So, wait, so, what did them should have come
You just came to?
Yeah, just come in.
It's not fair that they tell you I was coming and they didn't tell me that you were coming.
They didn't say?
No.
Hi, how are you?
Dinner. When we go, we just gonna find somewhere.
Auntie Dan, you still sexy though, Auntie Dan. Yeah, give me a hug.
Yeah, big hug. Yeah, big
How are
hug.
you? You look so
Say she's
beautiful.
selfish, she don't have me a look beach bag for you. Say she gonna send it to Canada. Wicked.
Oh my God. Oh, where's she there? They're coming over here yet? Where?
Oh, we're good.
Hi! But you see, we come out the same time, Auntie Dan.
So it's the plan. You know? I don't know you
What?
guys.
How not classy people? Kimmy, Auntie Dan, I kill you now.
Put it on my beach bag to send by Canada.
How are you?
Hey, wow.
I'm gonna grab with stuff first.
So how she
Paula, what's up? How are you, sis?
That's not a surprise.
Long time no see you. You have
You
curls.
didn't know that Paula,
You're on the same time as
Yeah, we just come
I
out.
saw the American airline and I was like, Mom, Fiona is in that.
Ah. Sunny, see your friend. You have a friend. Oh my God, so
How old are you?
you can't give me hugs.
You got so big.
Zoe, Zoe, you can't give Auntie hug. Come on, give Auntie hug. Sunny, see Zoe.
Fiona didn't want to tell anyone.
Huh?
You didn't want to tell anyone, so you need to tell Auntie Dawn.
But me tell her now because she'll kill me. Alright guys, we're finally outside. Let's go outside. Oh God, it's hot out there. Alright guys, all of us are here. Hey Kimmy.
Our destination,
Welcome to
Aruba.
Aruba. Aruba, we are here.
Alright.
Take a picture. Ah, see you over there. Give me your come out, right? See picture, take over here.
That's what we need.
Alright guys, we're here. Everybody. Yeah, some sexy people guys up there. Whole bag of brother, sister. Brother to come. I can be. Hey Paula, you can't hide now.
It's nice out here, man. You know so. You see people there? Oh my God, the airport so nice and clean. Man, it clean man, Jamaica, we not get no line. Over there so hot like wow. Auntie Dan, you look so beautiful. Lord God, good. Have mercy. I want to the Louis. Let me see the Louis.
Come on, nothing on her.
Auntie Dan looks so nice. Auntie Dan ready feet. No, we are not ready like Auntie Dan. Lord God, I want to win. My God. My God. We're not ready yet. Auntie Dan looks so nice. I know, you know anybody in a white look nice? Look at Zoe like with the white thing. Looks so nice.
Spirited,
Yeah.
innocent.
But you know, nice in a red. Breeze, can you let breeze up blow for me? Look at all here in the wind. What you feeling? Yeah. Here I'm going to give baby now. I want to take it. 360 guys. It's so cool and nice. I think I'll take the picture. We don't take no picture. I think I'll take a picture. Come on.
1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome to Aruba.
No. I emphasize, like my tour guide.
Oh, yeah. So,
Say welcome to Aruba.
We're here, guys. We're here.
Still in my mask.
Oh, still in. Okay. Let's go see what they have in store. I give you a tour after, guys.